our first guest is Mr. Pass a Student coming all the way from Santa Clarita. Let's hear it. Okay, Mr. Pass a Student, how do you do number one? Oh, go near the computer so the mic will hear you better, please. What did you do?
100 divided by 5.
100 divided by 5. Is he correct, everybody?
Yeah.
And that makes
$20
per hour. Okay, cool. Good job. Okay. All right, next we have Brianna coming all the way from Australia. Okay, number 2. Okay, how do we do it?
So we divide 5 over 9 divided by 2 over 9.
Okay, that's correct. Now, why did you divide 2? Why didn't you do it the other way around? How did you know that it's divided by 2 over 9? This is important, everybody.
Because it said miles per hour.
Right. So per hour means that whatever word is next to, whatever word is next to per, which is hour, means that that number that's next to hour is the one we divide by. This is important. So if you're studying at home, make sure you remember that. Okay. And what do we do to divide?
So we have to do 5 over 9 times 9 over 2.
9 over 2, which is the reciprocal. Excellent. And then we want to reduce our 9s. Divide by 9. We get 1 and 1. The answer is?
5 over 2.
5 over 2. How many people got that one right?
Oh, no.
You are so smart, everybody. Okay, cool.
You said write your answer as a
I just wanted to move that over. Okay, so the answer is 5 over 2 or 2.5 miles per hour. Either way. Either way. Either way. Okay? Any questions? All right, cool. So, and then you're going to do number 3 also, right? So number 3, what is the price per gallon?
$7.75.
$7.75. Good. How did you do that?
I divided 15.50
Divided by? Divided by?
2.
2. Right. Good. Okay, and what about 3?
I did 7.75 times 3.
Right. Or you could also add here. And what do we get?
23.25.
23.25. Cool. And how do we find this one? Uh-oh, that's division, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So we go 170.50 divided by 775. What do we get?
22.
22. Is that right? Did anybody else do that? I didn't do the math. Is that correct? Yeah. Cool. Yeah. All right, good. And what is the price per gallon? And we already have that answer. It's $7.75. All right, cool. Good job, Brianna. Okay, now we've got John Cena. All right, John Cena. How do we do number 5?
Okay, so the first 3 are okay. It's non-proportional.
Non-proportional. That's correct. Now, how do you know?
Because 4 and 60 are
If
not
you
the
divide
same.
60 into 4, 60 divided by 4, we get 15.
Yeah.
Right? Did I do that right?
Yeah.
Yes. So that means that this unit rate here is 15. Okay? But what else did you notice, Mr. Cena?
That the other ones are not 15.
The other ones are not 15. Exactly. So when he says, how do you know this is going to be on the test? We write that the unit rate, right? How do you know? Because the unit rate is not the same. Get it? Got it? Yeah? Okay. Okay.
I am currently hungry.
Are you done? Are you doing another one? Okay, now we got coin coming up. Let's hear it for John Cena. Okay, and coin. Coin. Woo, coin. Coming from the bank. Okay. How do you do number 6, sir?
Well, I divided all the y's by the x's on top of them.
Right? Good job. So it's always y over x. 7 divided by 1, 14 divided by 2, 21 divided by 3. And did they all make the same answer?
Yes.
Yes, they all make
7
7.
ones.
So $7 per hour. That means you're not making any money at all almost. Okay, so it's proportional. How do you know? Because the unit rate
Is the same.
is the same. Good. Okay. Cool. Okay. Now we're kind of running out of time, so we gotta go quick. All right, number 7. Let's hear it for Raiden. All right, Raiden. Is number 7 proportional?
Yes.
Yes. Do we all agree? Yeah. Why? Because 2 things. Because
It is straight and
it's
it
a straight line.
and it starts from the origin. And it starts from the origin.
And starts from the origin. Exactly. Good job. Straight line and starts from the origin. Now you could also say 0, 0, right? Starts from 0, 0 or the origin. Okay. All right. Number 8. Proportional or not?
Non-proportional.
No, because it doesn't really hit right at 0. It hits at 1, right?
Yeah.
So it does not start at 0, 0 or the origin. Okay. Good job, Mr. Raiden. Now we got Donald Duck. Now don't do the Donald Duck voice because we don't have much time. Okay, so when we divide, how many calories in each brownie?
330.
330. The easy one is 330 divided by 1, right?
Yes.
Right, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, write the equation.
Y equals 330x.
Right. Easy cheesy. Don't forget that. It's going to be on the test. Okay. Okay, so you can do the next one. So a proportional relationship between pitchers and lemons. How many lemons do you need for each lemonade?
You need.
And I put the dot here. It somehow stayed from last year. Okay. And what is it?
5.
5. Easy cheesy. Right? And how do we know we go up from 1? If there isn't a 1 in the graph, then we would have to do something like 5 divided by 25. You would still get 5. Okay. What does the concept of proportionality mean, represent?
5 lemons for every 1 pitcher.
Right. It means that there are 5 lemons, or we need 5 lemons. Does it say there are or we need? It doesn't matter. There are 5 lemons in every pitcher. Okay. Write the equation. Again, that's pretty easy, right?
I actually just did the math. I just did 2 divided by 10.
No, you have to write a y and an x. Y equals what?
Y equals 10 or 5.
No, 5x. You have to use your unit rate. Careful. Y equals 5x.
Well, 'cause
Okay?
if you
It's
go
not
up
hard.
one
You just
more,
have
it's
to
10.
remember it. Okay, now what does
I wanna do-
735 mean?
Oh wait, what?
Like when you're on that part on the table, right? 735. What does that mean in real life? 735 right there. What does it mean?
35. Oh.
Right, that we're using 35 lemons for what?
For
7 pitchers.
7 pitchers, yeah.
7 pitchers of lemonade.
What's this?
Oops. I messed up my lemonade. Yay, lemonade! I you too!